Section 1.5.13, the following survey has bias. Determine the type of bias and suggest a remedy. To determine the public's opinion of the police department, the police chief obtains a cluster sample of 15 census tracts within his jurisdiction and samples all households in the randomly selected tracts. Uniformed police officers go door to door to conduct a survey. If the results of the sample are not representative of the population, then the sample has bias. Sampling bias means that the technique used to obtain the individuals to be in a sample tends to favor one part of the population over another. Any convenient sample has sampling bias because the individuals are not chosen through a random sample. Non-response bias exists when individuals selected to be in the sample who do not respond to the survey have different opinions from those who do. Non-response can occur because individuals selected for the sample do not wish to respond or the interviewer was unable to contact them. Response bias exists when the answers on the survey do not reflect the true feelings of the respondent. Response bias can find its way into survey results through interviewer error, misrepresented answers, or poorly worded questions. What is the type of bias? This is a response bias. Some biases can result due to undercoverage. Undercoverage occurs when the proportion of one segment of the population is lower in a sample than it is in the population. Other biases can result due to poor wording of a question. A poorly worded question may not be asked in balanced form or may be vague, and this wording can significantly affect the responses. And some biases can result from the interviewer errors. A good interviewer will have the skill necessary to elicit responses from individuals within a sample and be able to make the interviewee feel comfortable enough to give truthful responses. So what is a possible remedy in this scenario? Conduct a polling without police uniform.